Hey, do you want to go see our fail brownies? Let's go see our fail brownies since it's 35. Crap, we need to get upstairs.
We're gonna check our fail brownies.
Amanda?
I'm talking to the mirror and to the camera. Look up these stairs. Izzy's house.
Okay, yeah. They are baked. But I think they're still touchy.
Well, we got 2 minutes. Well, do you have a toothpick?
Yeah, up here.
Stick toothpick in there.
You messed with all my mom's spices.
That's your fault. You want to see our
Did you see that, people on the evil death? Stop messing with our shoes.
What?
I said stop messing with our shoes.
I was showing the people that are watching this, brownies.
Our fail brownies?
Toothpicks. So like
Really, you're
toothpicks.
filming the toothpicks. Okay, you need to bring it out, so give me the camera. Give me the camera.
Izzy.
I crush Izzy.
See, I guess. Izzy.
Okay, give me the camera. Get the hot pad warmer thingies. Just get the freaking hot pad.
On hand.
How do you stop it? Off?
Off cancel.
Cancel. There. Okay. Okay, pull it out. You need to poke it with a toothpick. Poke it with a toothpick. Why are you taking it out? I don't know. You feel it.
Izzy doesn't know how to do anything. Can you tell?
The sprinkles.
Good.
The sprinkles look good. Taste good.
Oh no.
This is going to be interesting trying to get them out of the pan.
Oh, we did spray the pan with anything, did we?
Well, you know, we can just scrape them.
Mm-hmm. We're gonna eat all of these tonight, cause
We need a perfect brownie maker. Have you seen those?
okay. No. You like our little green sprinkles in there that we put in there? Look at those. Izzy, I'm not sure. We'll cut it first.
No, I'm not. I want that little piece. Those little pieces. But. Not bad.
Okay, get the knife. Go.
We're not cutting them yet. We have to wait for them to cool off, dummy.
It's been like 2 minutes. Put them in the
Want a glass
freeze.
of milk?
Yes.
Warm milk?
Warm milk?
Yeah.
What am I, a baby? No, I'm kidding. Milk.
Stop messing with the milk.
You sound like my mother. Stop messing with the milk. Cause I don't know.
I'm actually really craving milk right now.
I crave milk all the time.
They can't give us a lot because I still need some for cereal this week.
No, you don't.
Stop poking it. God.
I'm guessing this one's mine.
You're gonna like ruin all the brownies because you poke them too much.
No, I don't.
One percent, 2%, 3%, 4%.
Oh, what percent is this?
I think it's 1.
Okay.
Yep, 1. We haven't been getting 2 lately, which upsets me.
Only like 1% in skim milk.
I only have 2 and 1. I can't drink skim. It's gross. Well, I have before because I had to. Because all my
Izzy.
friends drink skim.
Got milk?
Oh my gosh, I have to show you that. In 5th grade, we had to do a got milk thing.
Nice.
Like, we had to play as like a star. Like, we could do a pop star, a sports star, And we put milk mustaches on us, and we wrote our own Got Milk ads.
Cool. Is it cool down here?
Touch it with your finger. Find out.
Yeah. Pretty much.
It better not be fucking drinking me.
No, it's not hot. It's warm. It's good.
Okay.
Is it? With a knife. Oh gosh. She's gonna stab me.
No. Not ours, because they're like super dull.
What
Our
the-
knives, these knives are even super dull. Okay. I'm not gonna take it from that side because that's all like crumbly.
Yeah, because somebody didn't even do that very well. Izzy.
Can I
Izzy.
have the thing?
Izzy. It's crooked.
What's crooked? My cutting?
Mhm.
These almost look like tannies.
Izzy.
Oh my god.
Dude, that's like super thin. Oh my god. What?
They taste good. Dude, film it. Freaking thin as fudge. Actually, no, fudge is thicker than this.
Okay, seriously, I'm gonna get like a fork.
You want to just bring the pan downstairs?
Yeah. With our glasses of milk.
Oh my god. Well, that wasn't. Give me the camera. You bring down the pan.
It's okay.
Shit. Come on. Okay. She's eating brownies straight out of the... That was weird. She's eating brownies straight out of the pan. Tilt the pan. Look how thin the freaking brownies are. Okay, we fail.
I told them it found.
You should tell your brother that they're only a centimeter thick.
Not even.
A millimeter?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, we're gonna go now. And finish eating our brownies.
Please.
Peace keys.
This is how you.
This is a fork. Peace keys.
This is not how you make brownies.
Yeah, don't ever make brownies like we did. We fail because we substituted like 3 things. We substituted vanilla extract for for syrup, and we didn't have teaspoons, so we randomly measured. And I think we put way too much salt in it. So you are glad that you have not tasted these. Well, actually, they're
Okay.
pretty good, but all right, I'm gonna go now. Drink
Peace.
our milks. Okay, bye.